step into the Ram 2020 1500 Rebel. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include diamond black crystal pearl coat, quick order package 27W Rebel included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVTe torque transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, body color door handles, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, wheels, 18-inch X8 painted black, STD, spray and bed liner, billet silver metallic clear coat, gross vehicle weight, 7,100 pounds, lower two-tone paint and engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVTe torque included, active noise control system heavy-duty engine cooling dual exhaust with black tips gross vehicle weight, 7,100 pounds Hemi badge 23-gallon fuel tank 18-inch aluminum spare wheel. If you are looking for a new truck